In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert a video page in Canva. If you're working on a design and want to bring it to life with motion, adding a dedicated video page is quick and straightforward. Start by opening your current Canva project, the one you're already editing. On the left side of your screen, you'll see your page thumbnails stacked vertically. Scroll to the very end of that list. At the bottom, there's a plus icon that lets you add more pages to your project. Right next to that plus icon, you'll notice a small downward arrow. That arrow is important because it opens the menu that lets you choose exactly what kind of page you want to add. Click the arrow, and a menu will appear with different options. Look for video in that menu and select it. The moment you click video, Canva inserts a new video page right into your project timeline. That's it. The video page is now part of your design, ready for you to customize. If you accidentally click the plus icon itself instead of the arrow, you'll just add a blank page. No worries, simply use the undo button and try again with the arrow so you can specifically choose video. Now that your video page is in place, think of it as a canvas built for motion. You can bring in video clips from your uploads or explore Canva's built-in video library to find footage that matches your theme. Drag a clip onto the page to replace the placeholder. If your clip is longer than you need, trim it to focus on the strongest moment. You can also adjust the page duration so the video plays for exactly the right amount of time within your project. Layer in elements like text, shapes, or graphics to enhance your message. Consider using subtle motion graphics or animated text that complements rather than competes with your footage. If your clip has sound, check the audio levels so they're not overpowering any narration or background music you plan to add. Transitions can help your new video page flow smoothly from the previous page. Choose one that matches the tone of your design. When you preview your project, watch the video page in context to make sure pacing, visuals, and audio all feel cohesive. A quick preview helps you catch small issues early, like timing that's a bit too fast or text that needs a clearer contrast. And that's all there is to it. You've inserted a video page in Canva and set yourself up to turn a static design into something dynamic and engaging.